That's it! I had enough! I want to create a monster to end all monsters! Haha! And I'm gonna send it out to destroy all the unicorns! Even the little babies! Yes! Yes! I'll smash them and crush them and grind them and rip them apart! Yeah! Smear them and smush them and crush them and grease them! Help! Somebody help me! Let me out of here, you monster! But, won't that kill them? It doesn't matter. As long as I steal magic from their horns! What? For the whole time you just wanted their magic? Of course, you ironic girl! I want to steal their magic for a spell so I can live forever! Wait a minute. A spell? What do you actually think I was going to do with all those unicorns? Open a zoo? Oh, wait till the Mario Brothers rescue me and you'll be sorry, Queenie! You said keeping them in our world is enough. You never said you have to kill them. I don't have to kill them, but it's the only way to stop them from dying so much. Why, you're terrible! I can't believe I've ever listened to you! Stupid, pitty little rat. I'll have time to deal with her later. Now, where was I? Gosh, am I glad to see you guys. We have to stop the queen. She's gonna kill all the unicorns. Oh, no! Don't worry, Sal. We can handle that, Fatso. Yeah, just leave it to us. Okay, but be careful. She may be expecting you. Well, well, well. You must be the Lombax and the plumber from the video games. If you want to save the unicorns, you have to fight me first. Attack! Mario made a big punch at that queen. And then she fell in the lava. And she died. After the queen died, all the unicorns were set free. Yay! Thank you! Yay! And they all lived happily ever after. The end.